Let's talk about food, honey. Well, hello there. Welcome to my kitchen. Today, I'm sharing what I eat in a day to feel energized, healthy, and light without starving myself. We're making food that loves you back. Simple, delicious, and full of goodness. This is a lifestyle, not a diet. So grab some water with lemon, get comfy, and let's get started. All right, y'all ready? Let's get into it. The sun's up, painting the kitchen with its golden rays. It's a brand new day, full of possibilities, and the perfect time to nourish our bodies with something wholesome and delicious. We want to start strong, feel energized, and set a positive tone for everything that follows. And it's time for a breakfast that sets the tone for the day. A breakfast that isn't just about filling us up, but about fueling our bodies with the right nutrients, the kind that will keep us going strong until lunchtime and beyond. We're talking about a breakfast that's both satisfying and supportive of our wellness goals. We're making oatmeal, but not the plain kind. Forget those bland, boring bowls of mush. We're elevating oatmeal to a whole new level, transforming it into a vibrant and flavorful experience that you'll actually look forward to eating. This isn't just breakfast. It's a celebration of healthy ingredients and mindful eating. Start with rolled oats, the heart and soul of our breakfast. These aren't the instant kind. We're using rolled oats for their hearty texture and slow-releasing energy. They're packed with fiber, which is essential for keeping us feeling full and satisfied, and for supporting healthy digestion. Cooked with water and a splash of unsweetened almond milk for creaminess. The almond milk adds a subtle sweetness and richness without any added sugar or unnecessary calories. It's the perfect way to create a luxurious texture that makes our oatmeal feel extra special. We're aiming for a creamy, dreamy consistency that's both comforting and delicious. Add a dash of cinnamon, a warming spice that not only adds incredible flavor, but also boasts a range of health benefits. Cinnamon is known for its anti-inflammatory properties and its ability to help regulate blood sugar levels. Plus, its comforting aroma is the perfect way to start the day. And half a banana for natural sweetness and potassium. The banana not only provides a touch of sweetness without any refined sugars, but it's also a great source of potassium, an essential mineral that helps regulate blood pressure and supports muscle function. It's the perfect way to add a boost of energy and essential nutrients to our breakfast. Stir as it cooks, the banana melts in, making it decadent and nourishing. As the oatmeal simmers, the banana will break down and create a naturally sweet and creamy texture that's simply irresistible. This is where the magic happens, transforming simple ingredients into a truly satisfying and wholesome breakfast. Pour into a bowl, ready to be adorned with our favorite toppings. Choose a bowl that makes you happy, one that feels good in your hands and adds to the overall experience of enjoying your breakfast. Presentation matters, even when it's just for yourself. Then top with a sprinkle of walnuts for healthy fats, adding a satisfying crunch and a boost of omega-3 fatty acids. Walnuts are a powerhouse of nutrients, supporting brain health and providing sustained energy throughout the morning. They're the perfect way to add a little bit of goodness to every bite, and a handful of blueberries for antioxidants. These little bursts of flavor are packed with antioxidants, which help protect our cells from damage and support overall health. Blueberries are also low in calories and high in fiber, making them the perfect addition to our weight loss-friendly breakfast. This bowl is packed with fiber and nutrients to keep you full and satisfied all morning. It's a complete and balanced meal that will nourish your body and mind, setting you up for a successful and productive day. This isn't just about eating, it's about investing in your well-being. Every ingredient has a purpose, each one carefully chosen to contribute to the overall nutritional value and flavor profile of our breakfast. We're not just throwing things together, we're creating a symphony of flavors and textures that work together to nourish our bodies from the inside out. Oats for energy, providing a slow and steady release of carbohydrates to fuel our bodies and minds. They're the foundation of our breakfast, providing the sustained energy we need to power through our morning. Banana for sweetness, adding a touch of natural goodness without any refined sugars. Cinnamon for warmth, adding a comforting aroma and a touch of spice to awaken our senses. It's the perfect way to add a little bit of joy to our morning routine. Walnuts for healthy fats, providing essential nutrients that support brain health and overall well-being. And berries for vitamins, packed with antioxidants that protect our cells and support a healthy immune system. They're the perfect way to add a burst of flavor and a boost of nutrition to our breakfast. Take a moment to enjoy each spoonful. This is self-care. Savor the flavors, appreciate the textures, and allow yourself to be fully present in the moment. This isn't just about eating, It's about nourishing your body and mind with love and intention. A breakfast that's low in calories, high in flavor, and full of love. It's a testament to the fact that healthy eating can be both delicious and satisfying. This isn't about deprivation. It's about abundance. Abundance of flavor, nutrients, and self-care. Simple whole foods are the perfect start to a weight loss journey that feels good. Forget about restrictive diets and complicated meal plans. Focus on nourishing your body with real, whole foods that make you feel good from the inside out. This is about creating a sustainable lifestyle that supports your health and well-being. No need for complicated recipes, just real food, cooked with intention. The beauty of this breakfast lies in its simplicity. It's a reminder that healthy eating doesn't have to be complicated or time-consuming. Just a few simple ingredients, prepared with love and intention, can make a world of difference. That's a recipe for success, not just for weight loss, but for a happy life. When we nourish our bodies with wholesome foods and practice mindful eating, we're not just losing weight, we're investing in our overall well-being and creating a foundation for a happier, healthier life. Let this settle, allowing your body to absorb all the goodness and prepare for the day ahead. Take a few deep breaths, express gratitude for this nourishing meal, and set your intentions for a positive and productive day. And I'll see you soon for a snack, like that. A simple, delicious, and nourishing breakfast that sets the stage for a day filled with energy, vitality, and well-being. Enjoy! After a few hours, my body asks for a little boost. Not a meal, just a snack. My go-to: a crisp apple and a small handful of almonds. Apples are full of fiber and natural sweetness, perfect for curbing cravings. Almonds add healthy fats and protein. Just 10 to 12 is enough. This combo keeps energy steady and hunger at bay until lunch. It's portable, simple, and helps you avoid less healthy options. Mindful snacking is about intention, not deprivation. Enjoy the crunch, the flavors, and check in with yourself. No need for processed bars, just real, whole foods. These small, smart choices add up to big results. You'll feel lighter, more energized, and proud of how you treat your body. That's my mid-morning secret: an apple and a few almonds. Easy, right? This will hold me over until lunch. Can't wait to show you what's next. Stay with me, like that. Lunchtime. That magical moment in the day when we get to refuel, recharge, and reconnect with ourselves. It's not just about grabbing something quick. It's an opportunity to nourish our bodies and minds. Let's make it count. We need a meal that fills us up and keeps us energized, powering us through the afternoon with sustained vitality. No more of those midday crashes. We're aiming for a lunch that provides lasting energy and focus. Today, it's a big, colorful salad. No sad lettuce here. We're talking about a vibrant mix of flavors, textures, and nutrients that will tantalize your taste buds and invigorate your body. Forget those boring, bland salads of the past. Start with a bed of spinach and arugula for flavor and nutrients. These leafy greens are packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, providing a solid foundation for our lunchtime masterpiece. They're also incredibly versatile and add a delightful peppery kick. Add chopped red bell pepper. This vibrant vegetable not only adds a pop of color, but also a satisfying crunch and a boost of vitamin C. It's a simple addition that makes a big difference in both flavor and nutrition. Cucumber. Cool, crisp cucumber provides hydration and a refreshing element to our salad. Its mild flavor complements the other ingredients perfectly, creating a harmonious blend of tastes and textures. Shredded carrots. These add a touch of sweetness and a satisfying bite, plus they're loaded with beta-carotene, which is great for your skin and eyes. They're a nutritional powerhouse disguised as a simple salad ingredient, and cherry tomatoes for crunch, hydration, and color. These little bursts of sweetness are like tiny jewels in our salad, adding a delightful, juicy pop with every bite. They're also packed with antioxidants and vitamins. For protein, toss in chickpeas, hearty and full of fiber. These little legumes are a fantastic source of plant-based protein, keeping you feeling full and satisfied for hours. They also add a wonderful nutty flavor and a satisfying texture. Add a quarter of an avocado for healthy fats and creaminess. This creamy fruit is a nutritional superstar, providing healthy monounsaturated fats that are essential for brain function and overall well-being. It also adds a luxurious texture to our salad. Don't fear healthy fats, they help keep you full. They're also crucial for absorbing essential vitamins and minerals from the other ingredients in our salad. Embrace the avocado. For dressing, shake up olive oil, lemon juice. This simple vinaigrette is light, refreshing, and allows the natural flavors of the vegetables to shine through. It's also a much healthier alternative to store-bought dressings that are often loaded with sugar and unhealthy fats. Dijon mustard, salt, and pepper. A touch of Dijon adds a tangy kick, while salt and pepper enhance all the flavors. This homemade dressing is quick, easy, and infinitely customizable to your own taste preferences. Pour over the salad and toss well. Make sure every leaf and vegetable is coated in this delicious dressing, ensuring a burst of flavor with every single bite. Don't be afraid to get your hands in there and really mix it up. This salad is crunchy, creamy, sweet, and peppery, a celebration of whole foods. It's a symphony of flavors and textures that will leave you feeling satisfied and energized. This isn't just a salad, it's an experience. It's nutrient-dense, low in calories, and keeps you full and focused all afternoon. Say goodbye to those afternoon energy dips and hello to sustained productivity and mental clarity. This salad is your secret weapon for a successful day. No afternoon slump here, just energy to handle your day. You'll be amazed at how much more you can accomplish when you fuel your body with the right foods. This salad is an investment in your well-being and your productivity. Take time to build a beautiful lunch. Make it an act of self-care. Presentation matters. When your food looks appealing, you're more likely to savor it and enjoy the experience. Treat yourself to a visually stunning and nourishing meal. Fueling your body properly is kindness you deserve. It's a way of showing yourself that you value your health and well-being. Make conscious choices about what you eat and prioritize nourishing foods that will support your body and mind. Enjoy every bite. Savor the flavors, textures, and aromas of your salad. Pay attention to how your body feels as you eat and appreciate the nourishment you're providing. This is how you nourish yourself for the rest of the day. Lunch is a crucial opportunity to set the tone for the afternoon and evening. By choosing a healthy and satisfying meal, you're setting yourself up for success. You really do deserve it. You deserve to feel good, to have energy, and to be healthy. Nourishing yourself with wholesome foods is an act of self-love and a commitment to your well-being. Let's keep going. Let's continue to make healthy choices throughout the day, one meal at a time. Remember, every small step counts on your journey to a healthier and happier you. The afternoon. That time of day when energy levels start to dip and focus begins to fade. After lunch, that late afternoon slump can hit hard, leaving you feeling sluggish and unproductive. It's a universal experience, that feeling of wanting to curl up for a nap instead of tackling the rest of your to-do list. Instead of reaching for junk like sugary snacks or processed foods that promise a quick fix but ultimately lead to a bigger crash, let's explore a healthier, more sustainable way to power through. I go for a creamy bowl of plain Greek yogurt with berries. It's my go-to solution for that afternoon energy dip. Greek yogurt is thick, high in protein, a nutritional powerhouse that provides a sustained release of energy, unlike the fleeting boost from sugary treats, and keeps you full, preventing those mid-afternoon cravings that can derail your healthy eating habits. It's a satisfying snack that truly nourishes your body. Add a handful of raspberries for fiber, which aids in digestion and helps regulate blood sugar levels, preventing those energy spikes and crashes. And antioxidants, which protect your cells from damage and contribute to overall health and well-being. They're like tiny warriors fighting for your vitality. Sprinkle with cinnamon for warmth, adding a comforting flavor that elevates the entire experience. And blood sugar balance, helping to keep your energy levels stable and prevent those dreaded afternoon slumps. Cinnamon is a natural spice with incredible health benefits. Stir it all together, creating a beautiful swirl of colors and flavors that's as pleasing to the eye as it is to the palate. Mash some berries for a swirl of color and flavor, releasing their natural sweetness and creating a delightful texture. This snack feels indulgent, like a treat you're savoring, but is packed with nutrition, providing your body with the fuel it needs to power through the rest of the day. It curbs cravings, preventing you from reaching for unhealthy snacks later on, and keeps you satisfied until dinner, ensuring you don't overeat at your next meal. It's the perfect bridge between lunch and dinner. If you don't have yogurt, don't worry. There are plenty of other healthy options available. Try veggie sticks with hummus for another protein-fiber combo. The crunch of the vegetables combined with the creamy hummus is a satisfying and nutritious alternative. The key is having healthy options ready to go. Preparation is crucial when it comes to making healthy choices. Make the healthy choice the easy choice. By stocking your fridge and pantry with nutritious snacks, you're setting yourself up for success. Every meal and snack is a stepping stone to a nourishing day. Each healthy choice you make contributes to your overall well-being. It's not about perfection. Nobody eats perfectly all the time, and that's okay. But preparation and kindness to yourself. Be kind to your body by fueling it with nutritious foods, and prepare healthy snacks in advance to make those choices easier. This bowl of yogurt and berries? It's more than just a snack. That's kindness in a bowl. A small act of self-care that can make a big difference in your day. Let's get ready for dinner, continuing our journey of nourishing our bodies and minds. The sun's setting. It's time for a light, nourishing dinner. Tonight, baked salmon with roasted asparagus and fresh lemon. Salmon is lean protein, rich in omega-3s for your brain, heart, and skin. Place a salmon fillet on a baking sheet, drizzle with olive oil, and season with salt, pepper, and garlic powder. Add asparagus to the same pan, toss with olive oil, salt, and pepper. Roast at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 12-15 minutes. The salmon turns flaky, the asparagus tender crisp. Finish with a squeeze of fresh lemon for brightness. This meal is balanced protein, healthy fats, and fiber-rich veggies. It's satisfying but won't weigh you down. Enjoy knowing you've nourished your body all day. From oatmeal to salmon, you've made mindful choices. This isn't a diet, it's a love story between you and your body. Eating for weight loss can and should be delicious. Let's wrap up the day with a little chat. You did great. And just like that, we've walked through a whole day of healthy, delicious eating. Healthy eating isn't about deprivation, it's about abundance and joy. This journey is a series of small, loving choices every day. Try these meals and let me know how it goes in the comments. We're a community. Let's support and inspire each other. Be good to yourself because you deserve it. Until next time, bye now.